Hey you guys, Rialda should be coming in real soon, and I got a Valentine's Day gift for her, and I just want to show my appreciation because she's a great mother, you feel me? So I think she's about to walk in the door real soon, so I'm gonna try to get her reaction on camera. All right, so look, this is her Valentine's Day gift. I got her a frog. I got her a heart with some chocolates in it, and then I also got a card, and I filled it with a bunch of money. So yeah, I want to get a reaction out of her. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, and hopefully we could get her on camera and surprise her. Let's go. Well, y'all, it was a bust. She seen the camera, but she's still gonna open her gift.
What is this? Sunshine. Jay, look, we got some money. This for us? Jay, look.
I see. What?
This Target money? This Target money, Jay.
They ain't no dang
We're
Target
going to
money.
Target.
What? Mommy.
Thank you, Jay and baby. What's this, a froggy?
Yeah,
Where's my frog?
No, mommy. What?
Some candies. Thank you, thank you.
We go to dinner tomorrow.
Thank you.
You like it?
Yeah.
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 You too.
Yeah, too.
You think you too.
I was trying to get your reaction on camera.
I saw the camera. You were trying to get me.
You should just seen the
I saw
the
it.
frog and just went straight to
I
it.
saw and I looked over and I saw the camera like, no, you're not about to get me.
Well, you guys,
Frog. He almost got me.
I almost got her.
Got me crying and tears and no.
I almost got her.
Not today.
But yeah, man, y'all leave a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to your boy if you ain't already subscribed. Pranks will be coming soon, just to let y'all know. And yeah, man, happy Valentine's Day to all y'all out there, man. I love all y'all, man. Show y'all some love, but we out, y'all. Let's go.